baby. Here's this baby. These are the two boys. Hi, little baby. Look at the face. Look how cute. Hi, little baby. Look at this cute baby. Come on, little boy. Come on, little boy. Hi, little boy. Where's your brother going? Come here, little boy. Turn around this way. Come this way. Come here. Hi, little boy. You came up. Yes. That's a pretty little boy. Look at the face. Look at the face of this little boy. Are you climbing? You climbing, little boy? Yeah? Oh, this little guy's walking. Yeah, come on, you can stand up. They're pretty fat. It's hard to get up. Whoops, I got to do their nails. They're catching on the rugs. Come here, then. You're going to go down, play with your brother? Look at this little boy. Look at those black eyes. Hi, cutie. You look like a raccoon. Maybe I should call you Rocky Raccoon. Look how pretty. Gee, you kind of look like a boxer. You look like a boxer, little baby boy. Come back here. Where are you going? Where are you? What are you doing, little boy? Look where your brother's going. He's investigating. You can't go under the bed. That's my rug I bought that I gotta need help to pick the bed up to put it out in this area. That's my new bedroom set. I like the quilted look. Little baby. Little baby. Hi, little baby. Where's your mommy? Is your mommy locked up? She's locked up in the bathroom. Yeah. What is this rug? It's the first time you've been on this rug. Yeah. It's a shag rug. People don't usually have shag rugs anymore. Okay. Yeah. Look at that tail wagging. You a happy baby. Come on, little boy. Come on, little boy. I think I may like that one because he's got longer hair. Hi, little baby. Look at that little face. Look at that face. Do you look like your daddy or your mommy? I think you kind of look like your mommy. I think you look like Lorie. Lorie's beautiful, and you're beautiful. Hey, little guy. What are you doing over here? All by yourself. Come back here. Come over here, little Rocky Raccoon. Come here. Uh-oh, you're caught up too. Darn, I gotta do those nails. Yeah. Little baby, wake up. Go get your brother up. Go get your brother up. Rocky! Rocky! Hi, little baby. Come here, little baby. Come here, little baby. Come here, little baby. You want to go to sleep? You can't go to sleep. That's all you guys do is sleep. This little guy's waking up. Oops, now he's caught again. Darn it, I gotta go get the clippers. Come here, little baby. Take a few steps. Come on, take a few steps. Why are you so awake? Come here, little baby. Come here, little baby. Little baby. Come here, little baby. Come here. Little baby. You're pretty active. I've never seen this one so active. I haven't seen any of them active. They sleep most of the time. And this one wants to go back to sleep, it looks like. Look at that pretty face. Look at that pretty face. Look at that face. Come here, little guy. Oh, you were too excited. Can I roll you on your belly? on your back? Can I roll you on your back? You look like a little teddy bear. Look at that fat boy. Come here, little fat boy. Oh, you want to turn over? Okay. You can do whatever you want. Let me go get your brother. Come here, little brother. Come here, little brother. Come here. Ah, come on, little brother. Come here. Come here. Hi, little brother. Little brother. Who's the big brother and who's the little brother? Who's the fattest? Let me see. This one's the fattest. Yeah, I think this one's the fattest. Look, this is the fat one. This one's a little bit more trim and his hair is really cute. Look at that face. Doesn't he look like a boxer? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What about you? Yeah, you got long hair. You got longer hair. You got hair more like, well, your mom and dad both have long hair. Okay. Are you waking up now? Are you waking up now? Look at those eyebrows. Look at those eyes. Yeah, look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. You want to bite me? Yeah, there's no milk in my finger. No milk in my finger, little boy. Mommy's eating dinner. Hi, little boy. Look at this. Oh, now they're going to play. You're doing pretty good. Look at this fat. Look at this fat. Look at this roll. You got rolls on you, baby. That's it. Come get your brother. Come get your brother. One has this one spot. This one's pretty white. He's got a little bit on this shoulder right there, but that's it. Otherwise, his body's white. Isn't he cute? Isn't he adorable? You're so adorable, and you've got the black on the tip of your ears. Look how cute that is. So you're a little try. You a little try? Yeah? This guy's more reddish like Krosh, the dad. But he's still got that black on the tip of his ear, so this is really weird looking. I mean, not weird looking, but different looking than what I usually see. You are really cute. You both are very cute because I think Lorie is adorable. Lorie's very pretty. The mom. Yeah, look at you. You're trying to climb up me? You trying to climb up me? Here comes your brother. Hi, little brother. Only little because he's a few ounces less. Wait, you're caught.